3, 2, 1.
Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning here. I'm on my way to go pick up the guy right now, and he's not answering. All right, it's 6:30. I'm on the road. The guy finally answered. I'm gonna go pick him up at the Home Depot parking lot right now. It's about an hour and a half away from here. I can finish it myself. It's just nice to have the help. Hopefully today goes smooth. Well, it's definitely hard finding a straight piece of lumber here at Home Depot this morning, but this one looks about the best we're gonna get. I already formed this job up months ago. I've just been waiting on concrete service. If you're here in South Florida, then you know how backed up we are on concrete. Oh, would you look at who decided to show up to work?
Yeah,
look who decided to show up to
pour some
work.
concrete, boys.
About to get ready to pour. We got the trowel machine taken out. Finishing up some forming. Should be a good day. We got Sean here this morning. We'll go get the tools, get everything laid out, and wait for concrete. We got about an hour. Concrete's here. Let's get him pulled in. Good morning. We'll go ahead and throw some chutes on and see if we can just nose you up right in there. Say good morning, say good morning. Number one, Sean, is you're gonna have to grab that come along and get all the mud all the way up to the chalk line.
I got you.
Nice and easy, don't kill yourself.
Huh?
Nice and easy, don't kill yourself. Hold on now. Let me get in there. Ah, there she goes. We just got poured out. It went well. Laying it down now with the bull float. How'd it go, Sean?
Pretty good. Another day in paradise.
It is time to bull float. Ah, hell of a pour out, huh, Sean?
Pretty good.
I'll tell you what, sometimes these little jobs will kill you versus the big ones tend to go nice and easy because it's just pour and go. But with these little jobs, you know, a lot of times you got to get in tight places and pull a lot of mud. But it got done.
The concrete's hard, you gotta be hard right back at it.
There we go. I like that. But easy money, baby, easy money. Passing the bull float. We'll let it sit for a while. We'll have water somewhere, maybe not there. Don't use that one though, because it's right next to the. If it leaks, it'll get on the concrete. Just make sure it don't leak from the spigot.
Jerky dog. That's how a concrete man Fun. While working. How do we even do this?
Don't ask me.
No, I'm saying, what? Like, what? You should have a video.
You taking him a picture of this?
Huh?
Yeah, you send him a picture of this?
Go get it.
You send him a picture of this? He says, when the hell do you guys start concrete?
Dang.
Bro, Cody Lee Moss, everybody, I mean, literally, like, I am concrete.
Now we're gonna do that. It's like this would have been a hassle for some reason. I don't know. Also, now I can just do this before and they just be like, no, sorry, man. I get it, but I was like, dude, you're like angry nowadays. And first of all, you hate it. Your job is going to be some way. Like a new guy wouldn't piss me off that much. That's usually my friend. I'm good. What?
All right, all this shit can get rinsed off. What broom? What broom? The green one? What broom?
Oh, I thought you were looking for the broom too. You're gonna need the broom?
No.
Oh, I could have swore it was over in the middle.
Oh no, we're good.
I thought we brought it over here.
I got this green broom here. This is the broom to finish the
Oh yeah, no, that's the one I was looking for. Right?
the walkway. But this we're just gonna rinse it all off real nice. Like that. Give it a little incline.
Cleaning our mud from 8 jobs ago. Hey, this shit's already here. Getting screwdriver detail.
All right, got this little sidewalk broomed out. I trowel machined the garage and now we are just waiting. I'm gonna hit the edges one more time. 2, 3, 4 more times. What am I talking about? One more time. Get the edges good and then I'm just gonna trowel machine it until she's shining.
Text me your home name and
Follow me out here. You don't want it choppy like that because that's called chatter. You want to try to hold the trowel flat. got some puppy prints. Oh Lord. Well, that's all she wrote. Cleaning the tools up. Got about an hour and a half drive back home. How'd we do, baby?
Good day.
Good day.